Getting ready to do a quick cleanup. This has got a nasty sharp crown right here. You can see where it's buckled up into here. Hard kink right in here. You can see where it just displaces all over the place. Little ding right there. It's missing the body line right through here, and it's stretched all the way through here. And then it hit so hard this displaced in here, and then it pushed down around here. But let's see what we can do to clean this thing up, make it a little less painful. I mean, still going to be some funny business. When you look at this angle here, you can see this stuff into here. So now you can see this really hard kink. It starts to displace, and because it pushed over, it lowered this area right in here. So with the light on here and a little bit of shade, you can actually start to see this stretch crease all the way across here, and even there's another crease right here. This gives you a little more detail, and then you can look right here and you can see where the paint is discolored. So again, here you go. It's just how much detail. I could probably spend another hour or so on this. Right in here, there's a little low spot. It's just joining all these little pushes in here. But again, at a glance, this thing looks good.